So the very last video that I did, I changed everything in Minecraft into triangles and then realized, oh yeah, that's a pyramid. First grade math coming in to help. It's geometry, it's not math. Still got that wrong. But that got me thinking. There's a lot that you can do in Minecraft with just resource packs. So I thought it would be really fun to do all of the sounds of Minecraft with just using my microphone and me and maybe something else. There becomes a time in a man's life where he has to voice the entire game of Minecraft. My time is today. So first what we gotta do is voice every single sound. I know, it's a daunting task. Then we gotta test the data pack, probably the most exciting part. For that, I will be joined by my lovely assistant, Elijah. Maybe. He hasn't said yes, but I will blackmail him if I have to. And lastly, like the video. You know what? No, like the video now because you have 5 seconds. Quick, time's running out. What are you gonna do? You gotta click it? Forget about it. You already clicked it. All right, so we have to start with ambient sounds. This is honestly the only thing I really wanted to do. You know the sounds when you're deep in the cave? You're mining, looking for that ore, swinging your pickaxe side to side? What would just be really creepy? Hey, come here. Imagine hearing that 20 stories down. In the dark. That was pretty loud. There's a creeper behind you! You are so dead. You're dead. You're gonna die. You're so stupid. What'd you have for breakfast today? Shut up. You're stupid. You're an idiot. Why did you even let this voice clip play so long? Why'd you even make this? I'm not the guy in a cave right now looking for some stupid rocks like a diamond. Just a stupid rock. Coal, stupid rock. Doesn't even matter. Redstone, stupid rock. Stone. Even if you're down here for gravel, I mean, you are so dumb. You're gonna die. There's a zombie about to come up. He's gonna eat your neck. He's gonna eat your mom. He's gonna eat your dad. Every member of your family will die alone. Alright. Peace. Don't say I never did nothing for you. Look out. I'm just saying, there's something coming. Alright. That's it. Bye. Challenge complete. Bing bong. And the piece of resistance, the title. We're gonna make this one blue so it looks stupid. There we go. That is art. I don't care what you say. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah. That's a face. Putting that in the fridge.
10 hours later.
Okay, so I did it. It is literally the next day. I stayed up really late yesterday. There just happened to be so many more sounds than I thought. I thought Minecraft was like 3 sounds. Apparently it's like hundreds of sounds. I have voiced the entirety of Minecraft. Bandy voice craft by the band guy. We're gonna throw that on. We're gonna take triangles away because that's not this video. If you want to see Minecraft in just triangles, go to the other video. It's happening. The wonderful world of me. Oh, I got another achievement. Let's see what underwater sounds like. Flash. Bubble, 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 bubble.
You're underwater.
Bubble, bubble. Oh, man. Quality. What do you want? You're missing a lot. You gotta get into it. No. Put that back. Put that back!
Skeleton.
Yes, finally. Make sure that resource pack's on, baby. Because
Oh, it's on.
you're in for a treat. Promise. Make sure that volume
Hold on.
all the way up. I see you like it.
Why is everything so deep?
That's just my voice. Minecraft makes it deep.
What do you mean?
Crunch.
Crunch? What is crunching? I'm not eating cereal. I'm digging a block.
Hold on, I need to show you all the voice lines because there's so many of them. Here, you got this one.
Oh my god. Cool, let's make some music.
Right. I use the same one for the fence.
Donk, donk, donk.
Donk donk. What is that?
That's when you break wood. Go ahead, try it.
Donk, donk, donk.
Oh, but it's super deep.
I don't know why it's deep. I didn't record them deep. Minecraft just makes them that deep.
Donk donk donk. That one's so loud. I mean long.
Oh.
Hey, that one sounds like a regular cat.
Oh no, don't look at that. I thought I got everything. Moo.
Get back here.
You're killing me. Stop.
Dude, I have no choice. This is beautiful.
Thank you. I tried.
What is swimming like?
Water.
Splash.
Wait, just sit underwater.
underwater.
Listen.
You're underwater.
Splash.
You're underwater. You're underwater. That's all you have to say.
Dude, there's so many sounds. It took me long enough just to do this, dude.
You're underwater.
You have no idea how much pain I had to go through for this. You better give me a 10 out of 10 on Planet Minecraft.
Oh, this is definitely 10 out of 10 material.
Yes.
100%. What else you got, dude? What else you got?
Oh, I got one for you. I haven't tried this
Crunch.
yet. Oh yeah, it's the fire.
Oh my god! Oh my god! This is cursed. Oh my god! Make it stop.
Oh yeah, I got here. You're gonna love the mobs. I'm a chicken, whatever.
Keep on walking.
Keep on walking. Get him. Get him.
I can't tell which is you and which is the game.
You're looking at
I'm a chicken,
I'm a
whatever.
chicken,
Chicken,
whatever,
whatever.
chicken,
Chicken, whatever.
What? I'm a chicken.
Keep on walking. That's
Chicken,
right.
whatever.
Chicken, whatever. Chicken, whatever.
Ow.
Oh my god, the baby chicken!
Don't hurt him.
What are you looking at?
What?
Chicken,
I'm
whatever.
walking. I'm walking.
All right, we gotta get out of here. There's too
Okay,
many.
I guess they're just chickens. Whatever. Okay, whatever. Jesus.
on.
They're chickens. All right, stop judging them. All right,
chickens.
whatever. They're chickens. Leave them alone.
Oh my god. Dude, spawn a pig.
I forget what I did for pigs. Pig egg. All right, here it is.
Oink. Oink.
Oink.
Oink, oink, oink,
Oink.
oink.
Die, you evil beasts. Did you do like Enderman?
Yeah, I did. I did everything.
Don't look at me. I'm over here, but don't look at me.
Oh my
You
god.
wanna mess with me?
Ow.
Man.
Oh, you messed up now.
Wanna mess
You have messed up now.
Ow!
You looked at him. He told you not to look at him.
I know, I'm sorry.
That's what happens when you tell him messed up now.
Ah!
You have messed up now.
What a confusing video.
Definitely my favorite. It has to be the chicken.
I'm a
and
chicken,
chicken,
whatever.
Oh my god, there they are. Okay, so we have to jump off and kill ourselves because there's a special audio clip when you die from really high up.
Alright,
So-
here we go.
Ready? Go! Oh, wait a minute. I know what we can do.
Ooh.
Oh,
You
you're
just
gonna
bang
love
on your desk for this
it.
freaking.
How'd you know? Is
Yeah,
it gonna do it? Not doing it.
I don't know.
Hey, maybe you could walk through this portal.
Oh,
Oh, there it
yeah,
is.
there
Walk
it
through
is.
this
It's
portal.
gonna
On the other side of that portal. Who's gonna be over here? Get your butt in this portal. Get your butt in this
Portal.
booty in this portal right now. Get your booty in. Why was this dude? He wants you to go in. I like it when it goes really deep. All right, we gotta get away.
Get your
Why is it still going on?
Oh wait, there's a chicken around here. I heard him. He told me to keep walking.
Where is he at?
I don't know. He's around here somewhere.
Oh, we got fishies under the sea.
Wow, amazing. This has been the greatest experience ever.
Thank you for
This is
experiencing
amazing.
it with
Truly
me.
amazing.
Let's try it. Oh yeah.
Ah!
Yo, that was the small fall, but when you get a big one, it hurts even worse than that.
Slap. I slap you. Is there anything else that I haven't heard yet?
Ow. 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 Why is it Brian?
Very confusing.
Ow. 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 Ow.
This texture's all kinds of messed up.
I don't know what happened with that one. Ow. 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 We got it.
Very strange. Very strange. Indeed.
Oh, yeah. We got this. I forgot.
Nice. Oh my god.
Can you hear him?
Yeah.
Challenge complete. Challenge complete. We did it.
We did it! Yay! Well, I love it. This is the only audio pack I'm using from now on. Oh my goodness, what did you do?
I don't know, man. I forget what I did for this one.
I think it just sounds like you're spitting.
Ow.
Ow.
Oh, those were supposed to be the wings. Kill it.
Oh,
Oh no.
he can't be stopped. It's so loud.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god, this must have taken so long. Explosions don't go boom boom.
They're doing it
once.
Hold on. I didn't know how long these clips were supposed to be. Oh.
Nice.
Hold on. What if we put a bunch of them?
Oh my god, no.
There's a portal.
No.
You can walk through this.
No.
Oh god.